Oh my goodness, look at all those P's. It's like I'm eating a shepherd's pie because of all the... On the right side, we have 5P and 3P. On the left side, we have a regular P. So this is what you're going to want to do. What you're going to want to do is if you see like terms on any side of the equal sign, combine them. If you look at the left, I have a P and a -1. They don't combine. But if you look on the right, I have a 5P and a 3P on the same side. 5P's plus 3P's is 8P's. Okay. Drop down the P -1 equals 8P is there. Drop down the -8. Now we have variables on the left and the right side of the equal sign. What I like to do is I like to get rid of the variable on the right side of the equal sign because that's just me. You could get rid of the P, but I always like to get rid of the variable first, and I always like to get rid of the one on the right side. So I have a positive 8P. I'm going to get rid of a positive 8P by doing its inverse, which is minus 8P from both sides. Now, this is invisible 1, so if you need to put a 1 there, go ahead. 1 minus 8 is -7. So 1P minus 8P is -7P. Drop down the -1, drop down the equals, and drop down the -8. Now I have a two-step equation. P is not all by itself. -7 is being multiplied and -1 is off to the side. Always get rid of your number that you're adding or subtracting first by doing its inverse. So that means add 1 to both sides, cross you out. -8 plus 1 is -7. Drop down the -7P on the left. Now I still have one more step to go. -7 is being multiplied to P. In order to get rid of being multiplied to P, you have to divide both sides by whatever that number is, and so you divide both sides by -7. That crosses out, and a number divided by itself, so -7 divided by -7 is 1, and I'm going to write it over here. So P is going to equal 1. So after all that, P is 1. Okay? So that's it. We're done. Crazy, but fun. Made a rhyme.